So we're making headway.
There is some tension on that baby.
Ghost riding the four-wheeler, holding the tail. Bruce Leroy running the chainsaw winch.
Chainsaw winch.
Up through 4 blocks.
Yeah, I don't like this.
What's going on, Bruce?
Oh, I want to secure that a little bit. Okay. But I got it pretty tight there. How come the forward didn't move?
Well, we're going to start going up the hill with the cable. Our cable's not quite tight, but we're pulling against wood. It's kind of sketchy. Yeah.
Tell me when.
Good. I wouldn't quite yet, but well, let's just suck it up a little bit and see what happens.
I think we let off that fucking four-wheeler and keep this other high line on. It's going to suck it right up there in place.
Well, I think it's going to just take right off if you cut that four-wheeler loose.
Take right off where?
Fall straight down. There's nothing holding it back. That green pulley would just run right that way.
We're getting to the point where we're going to be very low on the
All right,
low.
yeah, you're right. You're right.
Just give it.
You're always right.
Let's give it a shot.
Got